Article 245 of the Indian Constitution outlines the extent of legislative powers between the Parliament, central government, and the legislatures of states. Here's a breakdown. 1. Parliament's power to make laws, Clause 1. Scope. Parliament has the power to make laws that apply to the whole or any part of the territory of India. This includes the Union territories and any region that falls under India's sovereignty. Parliament can also legislate for specific parts of India if necessary, meaning its legislative reach is broad and can be tailored to specific regions or circumstances. State legislatures' power to make laws. A state legislature can make laws for the whole or any part of its state. This means that the authority of the state legislature is limited to its respective state boundaries. 2. Extraterritorial operation of Parliament's laws, Clause 2. This clause states that no law made by Parliament shall be deemed invalid just because it has extraterritorial operation. In simple terms, Parliament can make laws that affect people or actions outside India if there's a connection to India. For example, a law made by Parliament could regulate actions of Indian citizens or companies even if they are outside India, and this would still be valid under the Constitution. Summary. Parliament has broad legislative power across India, and it can also make laws that apply beyond India's borders, extraterritorial. State legislatures can only make laws that apply within their respective state boundaries. Clause 2 reinforces that Parliament's laws cannot be challenged for affecting territories outside India if justified. This article establishes the distribution of legislative powers between the central and state governments in India. The Constitution of India. Part 11. Relations between the Union and the States. Chapter 1. Legislative Relations. Distribution of legislative powers. Article 245. Extent of laws made by Parliament and by the legislatures of states. 1. Subject to the provisions of this Constitution, Parliament may make laws for the whole or any part of the territory of India, and the legislature of a state may make laws for the whole or any part of the state. 2. No law made by Parliament shall be deemed to be invalid on the ground that it would have extraterritorial operation.